Hello everyone, welcome to the HardVC channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DDNS on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that we are connected to our router's network, and after that we're going to go to the admin page. By default, the admin page is 192.168.0.1. So there we go. You might be logged out. If you are, let me show you. The default username and password is admin and admin. There we go. Now we are logged in. And then we're going to go to the home page, press advanced settings. So the settings button next to advanced. Then we're going to go to DDNS. And here we can enable or disable it. So here you can read what DDNS is if you need it. But once you've selected the option that you want, press apply and your options will be saved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.